guys, what is going on? We are back with another video. We are on the final month of the year, so we will be recapping as to what we've learned this year to pass these challenges. We are preparing for next year already. We know we as traders, we don't sleep. So yeah, we have been pushing to the upside. We see this nice push to the upside. As we already know that on the left it is liquidity. Okay, these whole candles that have been pushed to the upside, it is liquidity. You have to know that the market pushed to the upside for certain years. Okay, it could be one, could be two. That is why you would see a change of direction in a year or two. Okay, that is a bonus point for you over there. Okay, wherever you're watching. Right, so this is a recap for 2017. It's very important for you to collect your data, okay, even if you are a profitable trader, even if you are doing well in the funded accounts, but always stay on top of your game, because these hedge funds, these big banks are not waiting for you. They don't care for you. So you need to always be in sync with the market. Pushing on the upside on the 8th there, 12th of February, we have seen a nice push of liquidity, pretty much good for me. Now, first thing first, as a recap, we have known that there is that rejection coming from which side? We are moving together already to the left. Okay, clear as day. We know what's going to happen. Now, for now, let me say, you think, okay, what should I do next? This is what you should be asking yourself when the market looks like this. This is why today we're using a replay button. What should I do next? What am I looking for next? Take your tool to the low. Great. Yes. So you have two areas now. You have the high here, you have the low. Great. The low is your, come on guys, at this point we know that is LQD. Okay, I'm just going to write the QD there. That is your money there. Those are your funds. Okay, right. So we want to see the market targeting those funds. Okay, that money that is coming from people, that money that is coming from me, that's coming from you, coming from the banks, coming from the person who has been holding the market to the upside, from that area pushing to the upside. Remember, this area alone, there's an area of Judah string there alone. It already happened now. So we want to know, okay, this is the reason why, first of all, we are pushing to the low side, okay? But yes, we're not going to jump and think that the market might target that area, because that area alone is rejection from, all data right there, okay? So now we are pushing to the downside. It's very important for you to listen or watch this video to the end, because this video is literally showing you everything that I do and how I do it. I'm not very selfish about that information, because for me it does not matter. Hedge fund, funded accounts have changed my life. There's absolutely no reason for one now to hold on to information. ICT has already shared this information, so there's no reason for us to be charging people crazy amounts of money, because it's already there. It's just that we interpret it differently, we apply it differently. Okay, so I'm going to tell you now everything that I know. Watch the video till the end. Do not skip or try and fast forward the video, unless if you are okay with certain information and you want to see the end results. So your eyes are looking over where now? Again, there's liquidity there. Somebody else would say, oh no, that's fair value gap. Yes, it is. So we have a push there. Reason why there is that weak rejection over there, it's a weekly time frame, by the way. The reason why there is that rejection from that candle, it's because of this area. Okay, so we're going to delete that. Okay, so now you're thinking, okay, now I understand. We had a rejection from 2 years back. We came to the downside, came from that fair value gap. We rejected that. We pushed to the upside. From the upside, we had the order block void. You can call it a rejection, doesn't matter. Now we are pushing to the downside because of the reason that I just shared with you now. Now we want to see the market coming to the downside. Perfect. That's it. You see how I have all of these things in my arsenal. I already know the reason as to why. Don't matter if I'm wrong, but I'm using my system. I'm using what I know. I'm using what I've been using. I'm not changing anything. If I'm wrong, if somebody bid higher than you, it does not matter, because this is a game of bid higher or bid lower. So if somebody with more money bid higher and you thought the market would do this, for instance, okay? So for me, I'm thinking now, we're gonna do something like that and come down, take that low out. Okay, so now we're gonna sell. I'm selling now, guys. Okay, I'm selling. So my TP will be there. Okay, I'm going to target those areas right there. Okay, so we don't want to make the video too long, so we just, because it's a weekly time frame, so I just want to use just a small stop, small reward as well. So now the two things that could happen there, somebody could take me out. When you're taken out, it's not your fault. Somebody bid higher than you, than the price, because we're talking about price and time. So somebody now my bid is on 1.41195. okay, so that's where I'm bidding. If somebody decide to bid the market here, that is when you'll be taken out. Do not blame the broker, unless if you want to trade with unregulated broker, then that's a different story. I'm talking about people who are paying tax in the market, who are paying taxes. I'm talking about people who takes this profession. I'm not talking about people who flips accounts, and I'm just talking about people who take this thing for what it is. Okay, so now if somebody bids 1.42727, guys, look to the right, look to the left over here, or the price for you could be on the left, but mine is on the price for you could be on the right, mine is on the left. So if somebody bids up there, then I'm out. Okay, but now I'm selling. Okay, I'm selling for my 2%. That's for my challenge. Okay, all right, so we now want to play the replay button and see what's going to happen now. Okay, whoever they're pushing out to the upside again, they're pushing out to the upside again. Okay, somebody took me out there. Rejection. Perfect. I'm out 1%. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna take this now. You saw it yourself. I'm out. I've lost 1% on my funded account. Perfect. No problem. Moving forward, it's gonna happen. Now I said, okay, I'm out, but because I'm confident and I know that I've seen such before, so I'm just gonna look for the rejection again and wait, because now I have that area and I have this rejection and I still have my low. So I'm still going to wait a little bit, see what's gonna happen. Perfect. You see, somebody bid higher. My direction, in terms of direction, I'm right? But somebody bid higher. Therefore, my stop loss was too small for that bid. That's how you should think about it. Think about it and like a hedge fund. Don't think about it as like, oh, okay, I'm wrong. Oh, okay. Oh, retail traders. Oh, the market is looking to take me out. No. Somebody bid higher, because there's somebody who have 500 million and you don't have it. Okay, you have 50,000 from your funded account, you have 100,000. You in that funded account you only risk 1%. Okay, so that is like 250 or something for 50k. So like, chill. Now I'm like, okay, I'm entering again. Whatever, I'm enter here. Okay, so the reason is I'm entering here now because I'm okay with my bias. The bias is still the same. We are pushing to the downside. We have seen that rejection again. We're pushing to the downside, coming to these lows. So I should be out there when the market decides to drop now to the downside. So the market is pushing now down. Okay, perfect. Okay. Great, fantastic. We are okay. We're back again. Okay, back again. We lost one. We're back with two now. Okay, all right. fantastic. Take this thing out. Now, what's happening here now? Because they took this out, you have to think. Because you have to, like a footballer, you always have to think, okay, the ball is here now, therefore they might do something like this. You have to, you have to always think in the market. You always have to move. You always have to create these like traps for them as well. They say they create traps for retail traders, but like you create your own traps on your own journal. Okay, so now we have that low taken out. We're back with 2%. Fantastic. You see how we're not panicking? So it's okay to be wrong. It's absolutely fantastic to be wrong. I love to be wrong in the market. My experience of 3 years, it means nothing. I want to be wrong, great, because it just builds this beast. You become a beast, and you don't care even making business decisions. You don't care about being wrong, because you're like, you know what, let's take the risk. You say, how much is the reward? Then you take it from there. Now liquidity gone. This does not matter anymore. Now we're moving over here. That matters. Delete that, please. Now that's our area of concern now. Someone would say now area of demand. Somebody would say, okay, let's see what they want to do with that FVG over there. And then we can have a push up, push down, but not forgetting the left side as well. Yes, the left side is still open for the area is taken out. So we have those buys. No, that don't want to use that one. We have those buys over here. Great. So we want to see that push to the upside. You see how clear my chart is? You see how clean everything is? I'm just moving with the information that the market is giving me, or the algorithm is giving me. Okay, I'm just moving with them. So from now we have that push, and we want to see those lows as well being taken out, and then we are done with the trade. Okay, so that we can close the video. Okay, so now we will wait and see what we can have, if we can have that push there or something, see what we can do there, if the market will cooperate, or we can just blow through, like boom, that could be another entry over there, like this over there, because of that candle. Then we can have, yeah, exactly. Sorry, I'm tired. Yeah, so that's the second entry over there. So we want to see them coming to push that level out now, and they did. Now I did not cherry pick this. I just closed my eyes and I just cut out the replay button. So that is why I was even wrong, because I didn't know where the market is going. Just trying to get the rejection. Perfect. Perfect. Rejection. We are in profit anyway. If you see that now, we have taken out that level, and if you say so by the way, that area is still open. So I said rejection, so the possibility of the market coming to this high and coming back down, very much possible. Okay, so somebody decided to bid now at 13292 to push the market high. So two things could happen now. We could push to these areas, come back down, or push to that area, because that area is still open, push to the downside. If you don't know what we're talking about, please look at all the videos about the fair value gap, about the imbalance. Look at the videos, because I'm not about to repeat that all the time, because I want to move with people who are watching the videos till the end, who want to learn something. So we're not going to repeat the same thing every time we load a new video. Okay, so now two things could be the upside and the downside. Okay, and then we could see if we can come to those areas, and that is that. Okay, that is how we got ourselves, guys. I'm not going to push the video too long, and we will continue with this kind of style where we push the replay and we don't know what's going to happen, and when we kind of like look at the information together, and that's it. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching or making it till this far. And yeah, we are under 722 subscribers. We started the channel this year. I am so happy. Okay, we are moving slowly, and that is exactly what I want. And I'm so appreciative to each and everyone who watches the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you again in the channel. Cheers.